Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that Wi-Fi not working on their iPhone after iOS 17 update. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Check the router. Restart the Wi-Fi router is one of the easiest, surest and quickest way to fix this issue. You may use the main switch or the power button on the router to turn it off and back on after a minute. Solution 2. Turn off Wi-Fi and reconnect. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Wi-Fi or WLAN. Now turn off the toggle for Wi-Fi. After 30 seconds, tap on the same switch to turn it back on. Solution 3. Enable and disable airplane mode. Bring up the control center. On an iPhone with Face ID, swipe down from the screen top right. Tap the airplane icon to enable it. After 50 seconds, tap on the same icon to disable it. Solution 4. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button from the right side of the device and either volume up or volume down from the left side of the device. Leave both buttons when you see the slider. Drag the slider from left to right. Wait for at least 30 seconds to turn on your iPhone with Face ID. Press and hold the right side button. Leave it when you see the Apple logo on the screen. Solution 5. Reset network settings. This will delete all the network settings on your iPhone like saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth device, VPN configurations, etc. and restore them to default. However, personal data like photos, videos, contacts, apps won't be affected. To do this, launch Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, tap Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.